Hey friend, I'm really glad you're here today. This video is for you if you've been feeling really sad or really tired, or maybe like you just don't care about things the way you used to. Maybe brushing your teeth feels too much. Maybe getting out of bed feels hard. Maybe even doing things you used to enjoy doesn't feel the same anymore. And maybe a quiet thought has been sitting in your mind that says, "What's the point?" Or, "I'm not worth the effort." If that's you, I want you to know something really important. Nothing is wrong with you. Your brain and your body might just be going through something really heavy right now. And today, we're going to understand that together. And we're going to take one tiny step together. Not big steps, not perfect steps, just one small step, because you're worth that. Now, let's start with this. Sometimes when people feel this way, it's called depression. That's a big word, but here's what it means in a simple way. It's when your brain feels tired, your body feels heavy, and your thoughts start telling you things that aren't kind or helpful. Your brain has different parts that help you feel happy, motivated, and connected. But when you've been stressed, hurt, overwhelmed, or sad for a long time, those parts can get really quiet. And another part of your brain gets really loud. The part that says things like, "This is too hard. I don't feel like it. I don't matter." But here's something very important. Those thoughts are not facts. Those are just thoughts. And thoughts can feel very real, but they're not always telling the truth. Let me say that again. Just because your brain says something does not mean it's true. Now, let's talk about something that happens when you feel this way. You might stop doing little things to take care of yourself. Not because you're lazy, not because you don't care, but because your brain is trying to save energy. It's like your brain is saying, everything feels heavy, so let's do less. And that makes sense. But here's the tricky part. When we stop doing small, caring things for ourselves, we start to feel even worse. Not because we did something wrong, but because our brains need small moments of care to feel better again. So instead of trying to do everything, we're going to do something different. We're going to practice tiny care. Tiny care means doing one very small thing just to show your body and your brain, I matter a little bit. Not everything, just a little bit. Let's try something together right now. You don't have to move much. Just gently notice your body. Are you sitting? Are you lying down? Or leaning on something? Now take one slow breath in. And a slow breath out. That's it. You just did something kind for yourself. Even if it felt small, that counts. Now, I want to tell you something that might feel surprising. You do not have to feel better to start taking care of yourself. A lot of people think, I'll take care of myself when I feel better. But actually, it works the other way around. We start with tiny care, and that slowly helps us to feel better. So if brushing your teeth feel like too much, you don't have to brush them perfectly. Maybe you just walk into the bathroom. That's it. That counts. If getting out of bed feels hard, maybe you just sit up. That counts too. If cleaning your room feels like too much, maybe you pick up one thing. Just one. That's enough for now. This is something that we like to call building momentum. Small steps help your brain remember, I can still do things. And even tiny steps send a message to your brain. I am still here. I still matter. Now, let's talk about something else that's really important. The feeling that you are not worth the effort. That feeling can be really quiet or really loud. And it can sound like, why should I even try? No one cares anyway. I don't care about myself. If you've ever had those thoughts or anything like that, I want you to hear this very clearly. That is not your truth. That is your brain hurting. When people are hurting, their brain tries to protect them by shutting things down. It's kind of like when your phone battery gets really low. It goes into low power mode, not because the phone is bad, but because it needs care. You are not broken. You're in low power mode, and you deserve to be gently recharged. Even if you don't feel like you matter, you still do. Your feelings don't decide your worth. Your thoughts don't decide your worth. You were already worthy before any of this started. You are worth fresh air. You are worth rest. You are worth kindness, especially from yourself. Let's try something small together. Put one hand on your chest, if it feels okay, and just notice your heartbeat or your breath. Now gently say in your mind, I might not feel okay, but I still matter. Say it one more time. I still matter. You don't have to believe it all the way yet. Just practice saying it. That's enough. Now let's do something called noticing your world. When we feel really sad, our brain zooms in on heavy thoughts. So we're going to gently zoom out. Look around you. Can you find something soft? Maybe a blanket, a pillow, or your clothes? Now find something you can hear. Maybe a fan, a voice, or quiet. Now find something you can see. A color, a shape, maybe a light. This helps your brain to remember, I'm still here. I'm still safe right now. Before we finish, I want to give you a tiny plan. Today, pick one small thing, just one. Sit up in the bed, drink a sip of water, step outside for 1 minute, wash your face, say one kind thing to yourself. That's it. You don't have to do everything, just one thing. And when you do it, I want you to notice something. You did that. Even when it was hard, that means something. And if today feels too heavy, you can come back to just this. One breath in, one breath out. That is still care. That is still effort. That is still you showing up. I'm really proud of you for being here. Even watching this video counts as a step. You didn't give up. You showed up. And that matters more than you think. Before you go, I want you to remember this. You are not your thoughts. You are not your bad days. You are not your heavy feelings. You're just a human being who's going through something really hard. And you deserve care, especially when you don't feel like it. Especially then. If this video helped you even a little bit, you can come back to it anytime you need a gentle reminder. And if you want more videos like this, you can subscribe so we can keep taking small steps together. You don't have to fix everything. Just take one tiny step. You're worth that, always.
Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon!